Hello students, good morning. So today we are going to discuss about accounts chapter 3, the basic concepts of a partnership. See, in the last class I have explained the format. Now we are proceeding the exercises. So directly I went to exercise number 2. So after explaining this exercise number 2, exercise 3 you have to work out, students, the same model. Okay. So now continue with exercise number 2. See, in the question they ask us to prepare the partner's capital account. So as I told you, partners capital account are classified into two. One is fixed and fluctuating. So here they ask us to prepare only the fixed capital. Fixed capital means two account we have to open. The first account is called as partners capital account, where I am indicating my finger. So partners capital account is a heading, the debit side, particulars, the name of the partners, then the same way credit side, particulars, the name of the two partners. So starting with the credit side, by balance brought down, first partner brought 70,000 and the second partner brought 50,000 as capital. Are you all understood? The first step. Then second item, by bank. This by bank is nothing but the additional capital contributed by the partners. So any additional capital is given in the question means, so automatically you have to think that it will appear in partner's capital account. So by using the word by bank. So 18,000 first partner, 16,000 second partner. Okay students, now that's all will appear in the partner's capital account. So that is what they kept the name as capital. Only capital alone will appear here, that too credit side. Nothing will appear in the debit side. So now add individually for both. So first partner 70 plus 18, 88,000. Second partner 50 plus 16, 66,000. So transfer this to the debit side. Two balance carry down 88,000 first partner, second partner 66,000. Are you all understood? Now the second account is called as partner's current account. So as I told you, the current account, current balance plus other items will appear. Capital will not appear here. So the capital already went to the capital account. So except capital, other items and all will appear here. So same way starting with the credit side, particulars, the name of the partners, by balance brought down. This is nothing but the current account balance. If there is no current account balance means starting with an item, interest on capital or salary or commission or share of profit. So no need to worry about any current account balance is not given in the question. If it is given means starting with the first item. So by balance brought down here, current account balance is 25,000 and 15,000. Then by share of profit 35,000, 25,500. Then by interest on capital, that's what I have written IOC. Interest on capital, as I am not having the space, I am doing both in the one side. So by interest on capital 3,500, 2,500. By salary, first partner is a dash, second partner, then again by commission, only first partner is given in the question, second partner put a dash. Okay students, now proceeding with the debit side, same way particulars and the name of the partners. So debit side only two items will appear always. So two drawings 10,000, 6,000, two interest on drawings 500. Then add the credit side. We'll be getting the balance in the debit side to balance carry down. That's all. Close the account. See again one more time I am explaining students. Again I am explaining one more time. This is exercise number 2. First you have to prepare a partner's capital account and close the debit side to balance carry down. Then second account go to partner's current account. Individually add and minus the debit side two items, drawings and interest on drawings. IOD means interest on drawings, and to balance carry down, then close the partner's current account. So same model I am giving you exercise number 3 as homework. So in the next class we will be continuing with the exercise number 4 students. Thank you and good day.